The Smith machine single arm row is a back exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the lats. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked-in, straight up and down path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the back and lats. To get started, with the bar racked between knee and thigh level, load an appropriate weight. While standing with your side facing the Smith machine, positioned just off center, grip the bar beside your leg. To release the safety hooks away from the safety bar, lift the bar up and off the rack with a slight twist. With your core contracted, hinge at the hips to slowly lower your upper torso towards the ground while maintaining a straight back, neck in alignment with your spine, and knees slightly bent. The starting position is with the bar just below your knees with your back close to parallel to the ground. You can press your free hand into your hip or thigh or extend it in front of you to hold the Smith machine. While keeping your upper torso locked down and in a fixed position, bend your elbow while keeping it tucked close to your side to pull the bar up from your knee to your hip until your upper arm is parallel to the floor. Pause at the top to feel a strong contraction in your back muscles, then extend your arm to slowly lower the bar back to the starting position. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.